All right. So I'm gonna leave the video here. It's 4 a.m. Dead ass. Okay. All right. But I'm gonna run this real quick. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this is low key easy for members. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go casual start. We're just gonna wait to load into the game because then everything's much quieter. Alright, now that everything's much quieter, I can speak with more confidence knowing that you'll hear me. I remember V, I think H, yup. Man vs. World is easier than Man vs. Zombie for the simple reason of these people don't just rush at you faster than you can reload and swim. So you can actually fucking escape. You know what I mean? I've made it pretty far here, but it's taken like very long to get to that point. This game, I do remember the reason I meant to hold this button. Alright. So you gotta hold F for backpack. You can see the ground here, your main equipment, and then your backpack. Whatever is here weighs you down, making you slower. So it's best to not have too much. Unless you're close to, you can't even see it here. But it's like an armory. That's basically what I'm trying to say. If you're not close to an armory, don't really bother. I remember I got this game because my uncle actually bought it for me, showing this site one time I was with him, and I actually want this to be the same game we we play when he comes back. Can I shoot him from here? Gotta get this guy up. I had to rush him there. Okay, still full health. That's good. I don't like that gun because it forces you to lay down, but it takes a bit to lay down. He seems a little too out there. I kinda wanna kill him. I just had to make sure he died. It is crouching actually. Damn, I'm just running past all these fucking bullets. Crazy. Oh, I've actually taken damage. I got a body with that. I think I gotta do it. I mean, I might as well. Right. and med kits is really what I'm looking for. I don't care about the weaponry because I know that I'm nowhere near one of them. So I'm not even gonna get one of these heavy ass guns. Alright, I'm doing just one run, I believe. That guy's dead. Pretty sure they have a vehicle here I can take. Yeah, it's right here. At first one, I did really well with this vehicle. What I can do is I can run them over. Nah, but what me and my uncle played, it was a full campaign, bro. That shit, bro. Not even joking, bro. It dead ass took like more than an hour, and it was meant to be like an all-out war between two sides, but the enemies just kept coming, bro. They didn't stop. Listen to your own advice, bro. That's not what I meant to do. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I might make an Uyashiki fit, but I'm finna really tell y'all. Like, I'm finna tell y'all something, bro. Best confirmed characters, like the best confirmed characters in Demon Slayer, Ubiyashiki, Doma, Tengen, uh, Sanemi, uh, Genya. Yeah, those are the top ones, and I just sell them for these RP points. When I was playing with my uncle, I just called them rupees, because the fuck am I really gonna call them? I wish I can buy Meg. I need white fit. I can take these weapons though. Oh, a hand grenade. I'm gonna sell my grenades, like my backup grenades, because it's just taking up room right now. I don't really need this many at the moment, so I'm just gonna sell all this real quick. Just there, there, just there. This I don't believe I can break. Yeah. I know I skipped over some shit over here though. It's a box. Oh, boxes? It's too far to be worth it. What is that? This looks like it's someone right there. I'm pretty sure he's just dead though. Imagine they can hang on walls though. That'd actually be insane because it'd be hard to aim at them. So no heals. Remember, it's just one run. Alright. Oh, I can. I can see the individual roads. So I have the best chance just kind of splitting over here. How do I mark this actually? I know this has like I know you can mark shit, okay, right? So I kind of have to split, right? This is the next base. So what it looks like is just all the bases. Um, if I remember correct, I got I think like up to this one out of this, but I remember being at this bridge. So I'm not too sure. Also, why can't sometimes this do like a point? What is that signify? What is that vehicle? So I got this, and this. Right. Um, going uphill. Shit, I forgot to reload. You know where I'm at. And I'm very low still, so not the best. I'm here trying to. I thought that was another person there. It was just a dead body moving. Actually, I'm gonna actually take the weapons too. I'm gonna go sell them real quick. I got a notification. Hold up. Oh, I mean, fuck of it. They really think they could just lie to me. Hand grenade was useful. An AK. I'll loot this last one. That's too much space now. Being taken up. I'm gonna have to go back. Not very cool when you're going in reverse. It's supposed to be somewhere around here, right? Right there. There shouldn't be anybody here, so I'll just skirt my way on over here. Okay, I didn't want to use all of them. I want to keep. Let's take the stew. 168. I'm low-key speed running a bit. What the fuck? He probably snitching on me, bro. So with him. It'd do me good to actually not go on. At least not anymore. They are kind of just like right now. Yeah, light work, no reaction. I did see bandages over here. I'll take that, I'll take this. Grenade. I'm actually gonna use the bandage. I'm actually gonna use the bandages real quick. Nah, but in Reaper too, bro. I speedrun. I don't even know how many fucking bankais. It's just the game is actually boring now. Boss Studios ruins what it touches. I swear to, it's like the reverse Midas touch, bro. I'm not even joking. It is the reverse Midas touch. I don't have to make my way over there. Okay. I should be fine to kind of just just kind of this. So that was a fucking lie. So difficult to shoot up. I'm actually, oh, I was about to take cover here. He has bandage. I haven't really been using hand grenades this run. That's what I was gonna look for. Holy shit. I keep my head up for tiny little blanks. What the fuck, bro? I peeked my head up for a little second. That shit got me. Straight in the dome piece. What? Well, I said one match. That was a one match. That was only 17 minutes long. I got to that point. I did the mistake of going flanking. Last time I kind of just went straight in, and I wasn't going on top of the structures that were actually good as hell. But actually tell me, should I make an Ubi Yoshiki fit for Roblox? Yeah or no? Because I was just about to do that actually, right before starting recording. But I was like, bro, I just really want to play it. Marvel Rivals, I can't record that shit. I can't even play that shit because I have a bug. It's a bug that mainly occurs in the UK, but I can tell you, I am not willing to put up with that bug where I cannot load into quick matches. So fuck that, because I can't even load into a fucking match that is a custom match with just me and Rel and bots. I can't load up into that shit because of said bug. So no Marvel Rivals will be coming from me.